This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 2910RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, self-contained, smoke detector, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, air conditioning, oven, external shower, slide-out, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 2910RL is 7,168 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 2910RL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.